can you introduce yourself? Can you tell us a little about your educational background and what are you currently doing as well?
Yeah, surely. So actually, I mean, I don't come from a background in journalism. So I have pursued my bachelor's in microbiology, and from them I made this drastic switch to journalism, basically. And so it was a very risky decision, but I knew that my passion, everything is in journalism. So I made the transition, and since then I have it took me some time to get established in this field and to understand I mean, not especially because of not coming from a hardcore journalism background. So it took me some time to understand things here. But yeah, right now I mean, I was till a few days ago, I was working as a senior staff writer with the Better India. And right now I'm preparing for like freelancing opportunities mostly. And I'm also thinking of starting a digital magazine of my own.
Can you tell us your experience working with these organizations and what were your roles and responsibilities here?
So yeah, so basically I started working with the Logical Indian around 2 years ago, and there I joined as a sub editor. So basically my job was that of a reporter. I would collect news and I would write the news, and basically then the news would be published after getting through rounds of editing. And post that I joined the Better India as a senior staff writer. So there also mostly I focused on writing features and basically did some on ground journalism as well. And mostly I was restricted. I have worked in the digital media. I don't have much exposure to the print or broadcast media, but digital media is the key journalism. I would say that the digital media is the thing of the moment in the field of journalism. And so yeah, that's where the maximum growth perspective is. So that's where I have been working lately. And yeah, I absolutely love working here.
What are the different kinds of fields of journalism somebody can move into?
So right now what we see that there are like broadly three categories of journalism. Especially in India, we see the first thing is the oldest form, that is print media journalism, and then comes the electronic media, that's the broadcast journalism or the TV journalism, and then it's the multimedia and the digital media basically. So digital media, which is like the most growing platform at the moment, I would say, especially with after the coronavirus situation and everything, the print media has really suffered a setback.
Somebody's also talking about people often say that you can't really rely on journalism for your daily bread because it doesn't pay much. What are your thoughts on the same?
Okay, so yeah, there is this, should I say misconception? I'm not so sure, because yeah, this idea is definitely there that journalism is not as well paying as any other job. But what makes journalism interesting is not the money that is involved in there, but the work that you get to do, because you are doing some social good, right? And journalism or like media is regarded as the fourth pillar of democracy. So definitely you are doing a service towards your country when you are working as a journalist. And if you are working as a high paid executive in some MNC, you are not doing as much of a service to your country as you are doing even as a very fresher journalist, while presenting news and making people aware of the truth, and helping people make conscious decisions about everything in their life. So yeah, the reward is not in the money in journalism, the reward is in the work basically.
A huge thank you, Captain Santani, and wish you all the very best.
Thank you so much.